Hello, Jojo Longhair, aka Bacolod Picker. This is Donita Rose, aka Short Hair. Na bumabati sa'yo ng hello. I saw the collections of stuff that you have, kept over the years, and I was thoroughly impressed. Ipinakita sa akin ni Pating yung collection, and tuwang-tuwa ako, lalong-lalo na sa notebook na kasama ko yung kapatid ko. Pinakita ko sa kanya, tapos tawa kami ng tawa. Also the radio, the transistor radio with my picture on it, I never knew that there was such a thing out there as that. So, nakakatawa to think that it's been 32 years in showbiz, but there's somebody out there that still remembers those things of the past. And it's very, very touching. So maraming salamat sa iyo, Jojo Longhair. I hope we get to meet in person when I go back to the Philippines someday. Yeah? All right, you take care.